Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the focus mode on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the focus section, so this purple section right here. Then we're going to go to the AF/MF tab, and here we're going to select focus mode. So here I have two options, so single shot AF and manual focus. So manual focus means that you have to press this button right here on the top to like manually do focus, and single shot AF just kind of helps you with the focus process. So select the option that you want. Once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.